Look up at the sky on a clear night and you can see thousands of stars. But every single one of those stars started as a cold, dark cloud of gas floating in space. Today in this video, we're going to discover the extraordinary journey that turns a cloud of gas into a blazing sun. A journey that takes millions of years. Welcome to Science for Kids. Today we are exploring one of the most dramatic processes in all of science, the birth of a star. Stars are not permanent fixtures in the sky. They are born, they live for millions or billions of years, and they die in spectacular explosions. Let's follow the complete life journey of a star. Every star in the universe was born inside a nebula, a vast cloud of gas and dust floating in space. These clouds are made mostly of hydrogen and helium. They can be trillions of kilometers across. The Orion Nebula is one we can see from Earth, and even now, new stars are being born inside it. Once a nebula cloud is disturbed, perhaps by a nearby supernova, gravity takes over. The cloud begins to pull inward on itself, and as matter gathers at the center, it heats up. This collapsing, heating object is called a protostar. This amazing process can take anywhere from 100,000 to 1,000,000 years. This is where the magic happens. When the core of the protostar reaches about 10 million degrees, nuclear fusion begins. Hydrogen atoms fuse into helium, releasing incredible amounts of energy. The star ignites, creating a perfect balance between the crush of gravity and the outward push of fusion energy. It is now a true star. Not all stars are the same. They come in a huge range of sizes, temperatures, and colors, and a star's color actually reveals its temperature. Blue stars are the hottest, while our yellow sun is medium hot. Red giants are cooler and older, and white dwarfs are the tiny, hot remnants of stars that have used up their fuel. Here are some mind-blowing facts. The Milky Way contains hundreds of billions of stars, and there are trillions of galaxies in the universe. Most incredibly, every atom of gold on Earth was forged inside a stellar explosion billions of years ago. You are literally made of stardust from before our solar system existed. Let's recap. A nebula cloud collapses due to gravity, forming a protostar. Then, nuclear fusion ignites, turning it into a main sequence star. Finally, the star lives its life and eventually dies, either fading away or ending in a massive supernova explosion. Everything in your body, the carbon in your DNA and the iron in your blood, was forged inside a star long ago. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more space discoveries. Let us know in the comments, which star fact blew your mind the most? Next time, we explore black holes.